we are about to do a small modification to our RV toilet, and it's probably not what you're thinking that it is. It is a RV bidet from Clean Camper, and I know what you're thinking, like, why an RV bidet? We have heard about the many benefits of using a bidet, and I honestly had no idea that it even existed, like an RV version existed. Clean Camper has made one, and we're gonna install it, try it out, and tell you guys what we think about it. I love the design of this, honestly. It's very well made. The knobs are like a bamboo wood look. I love it. Very simple, easy to use. I just tried it out, and my first experience was not bad. It was kind of speechless. The installation was easy, and now we're gonna get my husband to try it out. So he installed it, I tried it, now it's his turn.
That'll get you clean.
So you like it?
Oh yeah.
So if you guys want yourself a Clean Camper RV bidet, you can find them on Amazon. You can just search Clean Camper RV bidet. It'll come right up, or I'll have it linked in my bio. So just click the link in my bio. It'll take you right to their product.